another tutorial by recurring reflection. Today we are finding the equation of the parabola when we are given the sketch. So when we look at our sketch of g of x, we find that we are given two x-intercept and y-intercept. So from the previous video we discussed that when we are, we discussed three methods that we used when we are finding the equation of the parabola, or rather the quadratic function. So the first method was the formula that we use when we are given two x-intercepts and one other point, and the other one is if we are given a turning point and 1 point, and the other one was when we are given the coordinates of 3 points on a parabola. So here, as we can see, we are going to use the first one, which was when we are given two x-intercept and a point. So from this point we are going to say or state everything that we are able to see. We are able to see that our A is going to be negative. Why? Because the sketch of our parabola is from or of g of x. So we are able to notice that A will be less than 0. Why? Because it's from. So let's write down the formula that we are going to use. The formula of y is equal to A open brackets x minus x1 x minus x2. So from here we are going to substitute our x-intercept, the x value of our x-intercept, then the 1 point or the other point, which is 0 and 3. So here will be 3 and on x will be 0. So therefore it's going to give us that 3 is equal to A, or A open brackets 0 plus, since it's minus 1, so it will be plus 1 close bracket open brackets 0 minus 3. So this is going to give us 3 is equal to A multiplied by minus 3, which is going to give us that A is equal to minus 1. So from this point we calculate, since we have found the value of A, we find the general formula of g of x, which is going to be y is equal to, now we put A, or we substitute the value of A, then we say x plus 1, then x minus 3. There's a 3 there. So be y is going to give us minus 1 is equal open bracket, and then x squared minus 2x minus 3, which is going to give us that minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to y. So this just means that the equation of g of x is going to be minus x squared plus 2x plus 3. So this is what we were calculating on these videos. We will be doing other more steps on more videos to come. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share our videos, and click here to subscribe, and also click here to watch more educational videos from Recurring Reflections. And don't forget to get in touch with us on our social medias account.